Hi friends, I'm Jassi Oberai. I'm a travel and landscape photographer based in Delhi. When I started my photography journey, I thought that within next 10 years, I'm really going to make it very, very big in this field of photography. And that all those clients are going to queue up outside my office trying to seek appointment from me. You know how naive I was? Because fast forward 10 years and I found myself still struggling. Still trying to figure out how to solve this jigsaw puzzle called photography. Do you find yourself in a similar situation? Or have you just purchased the camera and are trying to figure out what is this puzzle called photography? Join me on 1st of July in Capturing Wow Global Summit, where I'll be sharing some simple tips and that will help you come out of the rut that you are in and help you establish yourself as a photographer. Mark the date, 1st of July, Capturing Wow Global Summit. See you all there.